These teeth are a bit obnoxious to wear. They were perfect for Shorty and some of the other clowns, but today I'm going to make a new pair of Killer Klown teeth, this time for Slim. For this method, you will want to have casts of your teeth and create quick vacuum forms on the tops and bottoms. Cut away the excess plastic. Here you can see it cut, and you can always sand and refine the shape later. Used a mold of some teeth shapes. Add in some tooth shade dental acrylic, let cure. Pop them out and lay them in order on how we want to put them on the plastic. The original versions, I used the tooth shade to place the teeth onto the vacuum form. This time, we're going to use gum shade dental acrylic. Add some acrylic onto the form and position the teeth how you want them, making them as crooked or crazy as you'd like. Once cured, add in some more gum color to build it up. Dip the brush in some monomer to smooth the material. From here, you want to sand down and shape the teeth, starting with a large rotary bit, flattening them down so they aren't too bulky. Then switch to a smaller bit and create a better gum line. Use some high grit sandpaper. Since these teeth are going to look gross, you don't have to stress too much about sanding them super smooth. Now let's paint these bad boys. I use the Acrystains system. Rose to deepen the gum area along the teeth and in the divots. Shade yellow over the teeth. Nicotine for darkening the teeth at the gum line and bringing it halfway down. The balsam is really going to build up that grungy look. Again, along the gum line and going down. These are theatrical, so you can go very heavy-handed with it. Use the black to line the teeth and deepen in between each tooth. Mixed it with some of the balsam to get a darker brown tone. Just taking the nicotine over the darker color to soften the transition and really yellow those teeth. Back to the black. Applying it thinner around the gum line and in some shadow areas. Bloody color to make the gums look really irritated. And add the sealer all over. Rinse them off and drop them in some mouthwash before putting them in your mouth. In making them very different from the first pair, you can mix and match them and have more options and fun. And here are the fun combinations I was able to do now that I have 2 sets of Killer Klown teeth. Check out this playlist for more Killer Klown themed fun, and I'll see you next time.